What's up, everyone? It's Lee here. I am the bartending, photo boothing, rental guy. Welcome to my vlog for this week. I'm gonna go over just some events that I did, show you what's going on. We'll take a quick look at my garage, and then I'll also show you a video of a cute little setup that I did, but I didn't actually do the setup. I just made the video look like I did the setup, so we'll get into that later. Warning, this video's long and boring, so if you like long and boring, then continue. So we're getting ready to set up a 20 by 30 pole tent right now, so just gonna make sure that we don't forget anything. Got 14 poles there, drop cloth, tent cleaning supplies, just in case, and tent setup supplies, and then big blocks of ratchets and some pads so that the poles don't sink into the ground. And yeah, we're gonna just grab the tent top over here, and we've got the walls and we're ready to go. Oh yeah, and stakes, jackhammer, the jackhammer. Okay, so we've got the stakes around the ratchets. Now we're gonna buckle all the ratchets to the rings of the tent. Then we're gonna put the poles in and then tension it. Easy, just make sure they're not twisted. Yep. And we're good.
So do you want this on the other side?
Yeah, I can see how that's gonna be a tripping hazard. I wanted to show you around my garage again today. I know I show you my garage quite a bit, but I just want to show you how I'm organizing. And it's nice for me to look back on, be like, holy crap, you know, there's been so much growth in X amount of time, and it's just nice to have all this documented. So when I'm a real big company, I can come back and look at all this stuff. Using these tables as my desk. They're on wheels there, so it's great to just pull it out when I need, and then there's the computer that I use to take all my rentals. I've used all these tables over here, or all these shelves over here for tables, so they're all pretty much being used now. I've made everything in my garage on wheels now. Everything is on wheels. I've got carts, I've got those are 10 by 20 professionals. These are 10 by 20 light duties. See, they're all on wheels. These are 10 by 10 tents here. They're all on wheels. All my chairs, everything. So right over here is my tent setup area. So this is everything I need to set up a tent, minus these. Those are just LED light cubes that I got on sale. So if you look in here, there's ratchets. So ratchets for 20 by 40s, 20 by 30, 20 by 20, and then pop-up tent ratchets. And then in here, there's bug screens and tent walls, gutters up here, some light duty tent walls in there. Yeah, I've upgraded to some new white ratchets, and then right here I keep the tents. So got 20 by 40, 20 by 20s, 20 by 30, and photo booth here. So I haven't had many photo booths go out this year, so I'm keeping however many I can in my house, and then whatever comes out, I'm just not bringing back into the house right now. So they're just kind of storing the gear there. I've made this area up here for electronics and signs, but lots of it's in the van right now. So there's more electronics here. I've got some patio heaters that I have to dismantle. I'll do that in a separate video. Just miscellaneous things. So got tarps kind of stuck around everywhere. I started putting my 10 by 10 light duty tents just up here, and yeah, I've got the jackhammer there, the generator, then I've got the big dolly to hold the tents. Not that my tents are that big, but next year. And yeah, over here, this is kind of cool. This is my tool kit. These are kind of on the go, grab and go tool kits for tent installs and everything. There's cleaning, smell nice things, tape, sewing, but then there's also a tent repair kit in here. So there's, you know, backup tent parts. There's patching stuff for vinyl tents, scissors, just all sorts of stuff. Then you go into here, there's like these things, and yeah, there's all sorts of tent repair stuff, little patch kits just for quick patches, and yeah. So these things that I got from Dollarama, they're $4 a piece. They hold pretty good. They actually are rated for more holding power than the ones that you can get from Canadian Tire for I think $15 each. So I've got tent poles there. Those are poles for the barrel light poles, and then just got more tent poles going this way here. Yeah, barrels, all sorts of barrels, all on wheels there. Those are my new barrel trash cans, and this is a flambe cart. I'll see if I can pop up a video of a flambe cart. Well, as you can tell, I couldn't find the video of the flambe cart, but that is some of my old Elite Bartending advertising videos, so cool. It's fire coffees, it's a bartending thing. I've got lots of brown paint to constantly touch up these chairs, and yeah, that's the walkthrough of the garage. Also, I should mention that I no longer do linens myself. I just have a tablecloth girl I place my order with her and I pick them up, and then I just return them when they're done. It's way easier that way. So when I get my tablecloths, they just come in a little bin here and ready to go for the client. I take the invoice out and just give the bin like this straight to the client, and they're good to go. And then they give them to me in separate orders. So right here's one for another order, so I don't have to get them all mixed up. Hope you like the garage. Yeah, that's me. Year 2, halfway through summer season. As you can see, my trailer's back in action. It's got a few little marks here and there that are gonna need some attention. There's some broken parts. I look pretty ghetto, but I'm gonna get the van fixed here right away, and I'm going to upgrade the trailer as best I can for a crappy little trailer. Okay, so I have this nasty habit of going Sunday morning and taking down all the tents that I can. And every time that I get to the event, there's always like food on the table still. And I was just like, oh, why did I come so early? And the tents are usually wet from condensation. So I end up wasting more time than I should. So this time I thought I'd do something interesting, is I'd help them take down their event, and I'd record it in fast pace, and then I would take the video and I would put it in an app that would reverse it, and then I would use that video to make it look like a setup video. So check it all out. Okay, so here's the video that I came up with. So Jace is just putting out the tarp. We're getting the jackhammer plugged in. We've got everything right here, and we'll lay out the hardware and we'll start setting up. So Do you want to video me doing it? This one's a little bit bigger. See, it's just like this goopy stuff. Just put it over the pinhole there. Like that. Good enough. There's a few more up there that I'm going to get to as well. Alright guys, that's the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed watching. I just wanted to put something out there that was a little bit longer and a little bit more uncut. Most of my videos are like 3 or 4 minutes long. I wanted to make a longer one. So I'm sorry if it's boring for lots of you, but take it for what it's worth. Anyways, thanks for watching. You stay classy.